Hi, my name is Diana Cabezas. Welcome to English in 1 minute. I'm going to tell you about the difference between real and unreal conditionals. Let's start with the real conditionals. We use them to talk about a possible situation. For example, if I win the lottery, I will go on vacation. In this case, I have a ticket, so I might actually win. Now, for the unreal conditionals, we use them to talk about an unreal or imaginary situation. For example, if I won the lottery, I would go on vacation. But I don't have a ticket, so I'm just dreaming. In this case, the key word is the particle would, which makes the sentence unreal. Let's go with other examples for the real conditionals. Example, if you go to bed late, you will be tired tomorrow. Possible. Or, if you do exercise, you will be healthy. For the unreal conditionals, we have other examples. If I were rich, I would go on vacation, but I'm not, so it's not going to happen. Or, if I could travel, I would go to the beach, but in these days it's not possible either, so it's not going to happen. Okay guys, that's it. I hope to see you soon. Stay at home and keep practicing.